Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about comparison of fractions. So let's start from comparing fractions having same denominator, that is like fractions. So when we are comparing to like fractions, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. Here is an example, that is 5 by 8 is compared to 7 by 8. So in this example, both are divided into 8 equal parts. So the fraction with 7 sided part, that is the second fraction, is greater than 5 sided part. Okay. So you can simply say that by watching the fraction of these two, that is this fraction that contain 7 part is greater than 5 part. Or if we compare the number of the fraction, that is numerator of the fraction, that is in the first fraction the numerator is 5, in the second fraction numerator is 7. So the fraction having greater numerator, that is 7 is greater than 5, so we can say that the second fraction is greater than first one, or 5 by 8 is less than 7 by 8. Now come to second one, comparing fraction having same numerator, that is unlike fraction. So in this case the fraction with small denominator is greater than another fraction. Look at here, that is 3 by 4 is compared to 7 by 8. So in this case the fraction with small denominator, so in the first case the denominator is 4 and in the second one it is 8. So we can say that 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 8. As in the first fraction the denominator is smaller than another one. So the fraction having small denominator, that is greater if we are comparing two fraction having same numerator. Okay. Now come to next case, that is comparing two fraction having unlike numerators and unlike denominator also in case of unlike fractions. So if the numerator and denominator of both fractions are different, then we have to make the denominator same by finding the equivalent fraction of both fractions. Then we have to compare the fraction like as like fraction. Okay, first we have to find the equivalent fraction of both fraction. After that we have to compare them as like fraction. So to find the equivalent fraction of both fraction with same denominator, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. Okay, we have to take the LCM of both denominators. After that we find the equivalent fraction. Here is an example. So compare 6 by 7 and 3 by 5. Here you have to compare the two fractions, that is 6 by 7 with 3 by 5. So now the solution is, okay, we have to find the LCM of this one, that is LCM of denominator, that is 5 and 7. So the product, to find the LCM we have to multiply these two. So the product of 7 and 5 is 35, which is the LCM. So we have to convert these two fractions into their equivalent fractions having denominator 35. So 6 multiplied by 5, that divided by 7 multiplied by 5. So the equivalent fraction of 6 by 7 is 30 by 35. Okay, 6 5 is 30, 7 5 is 35. Now come to second one, equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 is, we have to multiply 7 to make the denominator 35. 5 7 is 35 and 3 7 is 21. So the new fraction become 30 by 35 and 21 by 35. Next step is, as we know that while we are comparing to like fraction, the fraction having greater numerator is greater. So you can say that 30 by 35 is greater than 21 by 35. Clear? So first you have to convert the two unlike fraction into the like fraction by taking their LCM, or by finding equivalent fraction of both fraction. Now come to next one, comparing a mixed fraction and an improper fraction. First we have to convert, okay, the mixed fraction into an improper fraction, and then the fraction, okay, we have converted to like fraction. After that we have to convert both the improper fraction to like fraction. After that we have to compare them as usual. As you have three methods: comparison of like fraction, comparison of unlike fraction having same numerator, and comparison of unlike fraction having different numerator. So now come to an example, which is greater, 4 full 6 by 3 or 12 by 4. We have to compare a mixed fraction with an improper fraction. Now come to the solution. So 4 full 6 by 3, that is the mixed fraction, we have to convert to an improper fraction. So it become 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Okay, so the new fraction become 18 by 3. Now we have to convert this 18 by 3 and 12 by 4 to like fraction by finding their equivalent fraction. So to find equivalent fraction, first we have to find the LCM of both denominator. Okay, so LCM of 3 and 4 are 12, that is 3 4 is 12. Now we have to convert both the fraction, that is the 18 by 3 and 12 by 4 to their equivalent fraction having denominator 12. Okay, so in the first one, that is in 18 by 3, 3 4 is 12. We have multiplied 4 in the denominator, so we have to multiply some 4 in the numerator also. 18 4 is 72 by 12. So it becomes 72 by 12. The second one, that is in 12 by 4, same we have to make the denominator 12. So 4 3 is 12. We have multiplied 3, so we have to multiply 3 on the numerator also. 12 3 is 36. So the new fraction become 36 by 12. Now we can compare 72 by 12 with 36 by 12. So the fraction having greater number of numerator is greater. So 72 by 12 is greater than 36 by 12. So you can say that 4 full 6 by 3 is greater than 12 by 4. Now come to comparing two mixed fraction. Okay, this is same as previous one. Comparison of mixed fraction with an improper fraction. We have to follow the same step, but there is a little difference, and that is, first we have to convert both the fraction to improper fraction. In the previous one, we are converting the mixed fraction to improper fraction, but in this we have to convert both fraction to an improper fraction, then convert them to like fraction. After converting mixed fraction to improper fraction, we have to convert them to like fraction, okay, with the help of equivalent fraction. After that, we have to compare them as usual. Okay, we can compare them as usual, that is like fraction. Now come to cross multiplication method. It is also known as cross product method. So in this method, the numerator of first fraction is multiplied by denominator of second fraction, and numerator of second fraction is multiplied by denominator of first fraction. So it looks like a cross, so the name of this one is cross multiplication method. So here is an example. Compare 3 by 16 and 21 by 22. Come to the solution. We have to compare these two fractions. So what to do? First step, we have to multiply the numerator of first fraction with denominator of second fraction. Okay. In the second step, we have to multiply the numerator of second fraction with the denominator of first fraction. Okay. In this way. So the cross product are, we have to multiply the first with second. So 3 multiplied by 22 is equal to, it become 66, and 21 multiplied by 16, that equal to 336. Okay, we got the product. Next step, the fraction as 66 is less than 336, so we can say that the first fraction is less than second one. Okay, the fraction having greater product is the greater fraction. So the second fraction is greater, so you can say that second fraction is this one, that is 21 by 22 is greater than 3 by 16. Okay, so in this way we have to compare by cross multiplication. That's all. Thank you.